Hi, Andrew Carruthers here, Education Director for Sam Villa. Congratulations on your new shear purchase. We want to make sure you get the most out of your shears every day, so here's a few things we suggest. First and foremost, shear tension is probably the biggest factor in great performance. So here's how you do it. Hold the shear straight up and down and take the thumb and lift it until you get to 90 degrees and then you drop it. This shear's at perfect tension. You want it to stop somewhere in the middle range. So if it goes all the way closed when you drop it, of course it's too loose. If it doesn't move enough as you drop it, then it's too tight. And just change it by 1-click increments. So if it has the little thumb screw, you just click it back and forth. Some of our shears, such as the Blending Shear and the Artist Series Shear, have a flat line tension system, and you'll adjust those with the little key that's included in your packaging. Same exact process though. The next thing that'll guarantee really great performance is making sure that you clean your shears every day. Little bits of hair and product can really do a number on your shears. So what you want to do is open the shear, take a little chamois cloth, and wipe all the excess product and hair out of there. Make sure you get back in here in between the pivot as well, because that's a really important place. You can even open and close the shears a couple times to get any last little pieces of hair to wiggle out of there. Please do this every single day. Now, we suggest that you also lubricate your shears every day, but please at least get to it once a week. And again, here's how you do this. You take a good shear oil, and by the way, if you don't have shear oil or you don't have a chamois cloth, we do have a shear maintenance kit with all of this in it. This one is a wipeable shear oil. Some of you might have a drip. First place you want to put it is in this pivot in here. Put it in front and in behind. Then just take one little swipe down each blade. Open and close the shear a couple times to get the oil to coat all over, and then you put your shear away like this. The next morning, when you arrive at the salon, you're going to take your shears out, and again, grab your chamois cloth, just give them a nice wipe down to get any excess oil off of there, and they're ready to use. If you follow these simple tips, we promise you're going to get a lifetime of excellent performance out of your Sam Villa shears, and if you ever have any challenges with them, please immediately call our customer service office. We always want to make sure we help you out. Enjoy your new shears, and thanks again for your purchase.